Hey everyone! Today I will show you how to use your phone as a webcam inside TikTok Live Studio. First, make sure TikTok Live Studio is closed. This is important so we can set everything up without any issues. Once it is closed, open your browser and go to Google. In the search box, type Irion.com. This is the official website where you can download the program we need. When you're on the site, download the program to your computer. After the download is finished, install it just like you would install any other software. Once the installation is complete, open the app. At this point, you will notice that it says "No phone detected." Do not worry, this just means we need to connect the phone to the same Wi-Fi network as the computer. Now pick up your phone. Go to the App Store if you're on iPhone or the Play Store if you're on Android. Search for the app called Irion. Download it and install it on your phone. After it is installed, open the app. The first time you open it, the app will ask for some permissions. Grant the necessary permissions so the app can access your camera and microphone. After that, your phone should be detected automatically by the computer app as long as both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. Once that is done, open TikTok Live Studio again. Inside the software, add a new camera source. From the list, select Irion. Your phone camera will now show up as a webcam inside TikTok Live Studio. You are now ready to stream with high quality using just your phone camera. That is how you can quickly set up your phone to work as a webcam in TikTok Live Studio. Thanks for watching.